Right now we are in a wonderful conference in which we have just had some excellent results, and if this continues for the next 3 years, we'll also have an excellent benchmark.
I've been part of many good discussions, and as I'm also a tracker for one of the molecules, sulfamerazine, within the action, I've gained a lot of insight into how we're going to progress forward and move forward with the things that we would like to do in the action.
I think it's an excellent gathering of very significant people and minds that are able to contribute ideas, a future vision, but also correctly describe the challenges that we're facing.
It was a really great meeting. We have an opportunity to discuss our current results and future plans. There was a lot of networking, great ideas, and we hope our guests also enjoy our university and Warsaw.